Everyone's chasing the next big startup, flashy startup, crypto coin, or AI trend. But the truth is, some of the biggest fortunes are built on businesses that most people overlook. They're boring businesses. The secret? The right boring business depends on your personality. So today I'm going to show you 5 boring businesses that can make you rich. And which one matches your personality type is going to be your key to having a great business, a successful business, and most importantly, a happy business operator. Before we get started, please subscribe to the channel so I can create more videos like this. I appreciate it. And let's just get right into it. That first personality type, it's called the strategists. ATM businesses. If you're the type who likes to play the long game, you love strategy, you want to avoid unnecessary risk, you're a strategist. For you, an ATM business could be a perfect fit. Think of it like playing chess with money machines. You buy an ATM, you place it in the right location, you keep it stocked with cash, obviously, and it quietly prints you a profit every single month. It's a great business to run, and it has great opportunities today. It won't make you rich overnight, but done right, every machine is a cash printer. If you love slow, steady wins, this is Monopoly, but with real money. Number 2, if you're an operator, think laundromats. This is one of the top businesses of today. You see it all over YouTube, all over the internet, and we have a lot of experience on laundromats. And I'm going to tell you something. If you like being a hands-on operator, if you're dependable, and you like having a steady presence in your community, then laundromats might be a great fit. People will always need clean clothes, there's no doubt, and a well-run laundromat is the neighborhood's quiet moneymaker. This statistic you won't believe. Most laundromats have a 95% success rate. There's a lot of work in it. Don't think it's an easy fix to make you rich, but you can get rich if you work it hard. Now, you still have to deal with the maintenance, with collecting payments, with keeping the space safe and clean. But if consistency and reliability are your strengths, this could be your jackpot. If stability is your love language, laundromats are speaking directly to you. Number 3, the opportunist. Think about equipment rentals. Now let's talk about what the opportunist is. You thrive under pressure. You love solving problems fast, and you're very resourceful. Renting out equipment might be a great fit for you. Equipment rentals, when someone's operation grinds to a halt because a machine breaks, you swoop in with the gear they need, you could earn up to $500 a day. Somebody else's compressor is broke, somebody needs a power washer, or even a big ladder setup. People don't want to buy these things, but they certainly will rent them. This is a real cool, up-and-coming, boring business. If you love turning chaos into cash, then equipment rental let you profit every time things go wrong or someone has a need in your neighborhood. Maybe you're a builder, HVAC, trade services. The builder, you're technical, service-minded. You like building systems that last. Think about HVAC or plumbers or any type of service that takes training. You can set up. There aren't a lot of luxuries out there with this type of business, but these businesses print millionaires. When people need a fix with their air conditioner, with their plumbing, with their electric systems, they don't hold off. They can't wait. They have to fix it. Every plumber I know owns a second home. It's amazing. Takes a little bit of work to get you going, takes some training, but once you're there, you print money with this business. Forget big student loans, a wrench, some know-how, and you become a millionaire. And number 5, we call the first responder. Think the pest control industry. First responders, bold, quick to act, thrives on urgent calls and fast solutions. When roaches, rats, or termites show up, you're their hero. You have to respond quickly. They trust you. They repeat business with you. If a family finds termites eating their house or rats in their kitchen, you think they're going to start shopping around. No, they're going to call the person that's top of mind, and that could be you. I owned a pest control business for many years, and I sold it at a great profit. So here's the big takeaway. Boring businesses aren't boring when they're filling your bank account. And boring businesses can make you a lot of money and lead you to other things, other opportunities. So don't think that boring businesses are something that you don't want to fool around with when you're looking for that flashy one, that Bitcoin or that AI startup. Think about something that has longevity. Which one of these types are you? Drop your personality type in the comments. Let's see who's ready to build their fortune with a boring business. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you on the next video.